It's me, BBCARLETON8. Y'all already know. But I got 4 dogs today. Make sure all of them all cool. Alright. Sorry. But yeah. But I still need to build the bear cage for y'all. Like I said I would. Which I never did. I will, like, for real though. I really will build that bear cage for y'all. There, go outside. Come on, man. I don't even gotta walk them with leashes. Where the foot went? Oh, there you go. Today they won't attack no animals. Unless I put them there myself. Hold up. Where does she go? Sorry, people that I say they won't know how to attack. Try you don't test them by themselves, like 2-on-2. They can't always work together. Only leave that door open for when they feel like coming in there to play. Do y'all think? Cause on the other side, it got later. They trying to yelp her. Wow. They know they cannot yelp her. That's so funny. Ugh. Why should I try to get in a shower with me? Oh, they're all for it. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. You know. Pen. Ah. Alright. Well, that's all for today. See y'all later. Subscribe to me. Like my videos. Get this 100. That's 100 for sure. And y'all have a good day.